Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to Z Finance, where we talk about the personal finance, spending, saving money, and also talking about investing the money. So today's topic is talking about what is cryptocurrency, especially for a beginner or complete newbie, because there is so much hype around the cryptocurrency and it's a little bit complicated. So I'm gonna break it down easy for you guys to digest it. So before going to the part, consider clicking the like button. Now let's talk about the cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? According to Investopedia.com, definition of the cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. So it's a kind of like a digital or a virtual currency which exists form of a payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. So it just works like an e-wallet, but the difference is that no one is controlling it. It's decentralized and it works in a large variety of the computers, and there is a lot more than just a simple e-wallets or the digital wallets. So that is about the blockchain. Now, what is a blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manage and records transactions. Now, how many cryptocurrencies are there? Now, there are so many different websites which talk about there are so many cryptocurrencies, but as of present, May 2021, there are more than 5,000 cryptocurrencies in the world, and each and every day there is new cryptocurrency coming in the market. So in the upcoming few years, it's gonna be a huge one, and it expected to increase in the 2030. So that is the talking about the how many cryptocurrencies are there. Now let's talk about what are the most common cryptocurrency. The most common is the Bitcoin. Another one is the Ethereum, the Ether, the Litecoin, the Dogecoin, the Cardano, the CRO, Binance. The list goes on and on. There are so many cryptocurrencies, but these are the few common ones. Now let's talk about why there is a big hype about the cryptocurrency. Now, there could be many reasons why there is a big hype about the Bitcoin or why there is a big hype about the cryptocurrency, but I'm going to cover the few reasons. The first reason is that is the decentralized. No one is controlling. There is no bank that is regulating it. There is no government that is regulating it. So that is the one reason. The second reason is that it minimizes transaction fees, because if you're transacting any money in the online with using any internet banking or a digital wallet, there are so many transaction fees and it takes a payment a little bit high. So that is the second reason. Third reason, that is a faster digital payment. Now, if you are transferring the money from the digital wallet or the e-wallet or the internet banking, it takes some amount of time, but in this world of cryptocurrency, the payment happens so fast in the digital world. So that is the another reason. So these are the reasons that there is no one controlling it. There is a big it's so fast to do the transactions, minimum transaction fees, and there is so much more. So it's still a challenge to invest in crypto or not, or to go for crypto or not, because the first thing is that since there is no one regulating it, there is no regulations for that. So regarding the taxation and regarding the government regulation is still under consideration, but they are seeing a big rapid rate of increase investment in the crypto, and people are expecting it to increase in crypto in 2030 till 25% of all around the world. So it will going to increase with time. Of course, there are so many challenges with the crypto because it fluctuates so high. Like it fluctuates so well. Like one day it's so much high, another day it's so much down. So it fluctuates so easily and so well. And it's also there is no one controlling it, no one regulating it. So there is a challenge for the government and for the tax, how to take the tax stuffs and all that. So there is a lot of challenge. Now let's talk about should you need to invest or not. Now it depends on each and every individual. Some people are in favor of the crypto, other people are not in favor of the crypto. So it depends on you individual whether you want to go with the crypto or not. But these are the few things that I have covered. But from my own personal experience, I see that there are the two type of people who think investing in the crypto. The first thing, they think that they're gonna buy some sort of crypto, for example today, and when that cryptocurrency rises, they're gonna sell that and they're gonna make profit from that thing. Another thing, that the few people put it on a hold for 6 months, for 7 months, and then they either going to convert into some other coin, or then they're gonna resell it or something like that. So these two types of kind of like investment there are people do, and they make money from that. But on each individual, guys, because some people are completely against it, some people are in favor of it. So it depends on you. And as the trend of the crypto is increasing, more and more people are investing in it. So obviously there are gonna be some things working for the people. So it depends on you. Now there are so many ways in which you can know what you can do. So one thing I want to tell you, based on my own personal experience, I am also beginner to this crypto world and this cryptocurrencies. I have started investing in the crypto little by little, like I'm doing one step at a time. I'm not investing a huge money into the crypto. So that thing you could do is not investing a huge money. You can just invest a little bit of the money and see how well it's going for you, and learning along the road is the thing that you can go with that, because this is the new technology that eventually going to rise in the future. Because in the 2017 it was so low, the Bitcoin value was so low, and in 2021 it's so much high. So we can see that there is a big trend in the crypto, and it will going to eventually increase with time. But again, it depends on how you're going to go with that. And that's a little bit intro about the crypto and the basic about the crypto, who is a complete newbie. I hope you find this video useful. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And if you want more such finance and crypto videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so whenever I'm going to upload it, you'll be get notified about it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.